Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, 2024. We are looking at the daily time frame chart of the Ethereum to Tether at Zondacrypto, and you can see straight on this chart that we've been rallying very hard up towards the level of 3,435 Tethers. How big was this increase? We can take a look here from the recent low November 4th to the yesterday's high. We made 45%. So in that situation, we can say that that was a pretty decent rally. However, yesterday's volume is quite unsettling because it's the highest volume in months on the Ethereum since the volume from the beginning of the August 2024, and this is the stopping volume for the during the market decline. So as you can see, it bounced, and this is the stopping volume during the rising market. So we should expect some sort of the downside movement very quickly. Now, where is the technical support then? If we are talking about the stopping volume on the Ethereum, so now the situation looks like this. The next technical support validated technical support, valid strong technical support, is located roughly around 2,811 and 2,833. There is nothing here in the meantime because this breakout here, as you can see, was untested. So the current situation might look like this. Let me just take my arrow. We might go as low as this level. It doesn't mean we will go there for sure. It's just a scenario, and then bounce and go for the all-time high. This year all-time high, of course, because this year's all-time high is roughly around the level of 4,000. I guess it was 4,000 and something, 4,084 Tethers. So this is how it might look like, because we need to test this breakout here, and if the bulls are there, really there, on this level, they will defend this level and they will make this breakout very strong. So during this downside days, maybe the bulls will eventually reverse this market when the technical support is hit. Now the resistance is of course located at the swing high, so that's no doubt about it. So 3,435. Now that's our technical resistance, but the next one is just above this level, 3,542. So maybe we should change our arrows to something like this. It's still valid situation, and this is remember, this is still a valid bullish scenario. So let me just change this arrows to red. Let me just change it to red, and eventually if we break below this level, now this is a very strong bearish scenario in that situation. This is the key technical of course support. So this is how it looks like. This is how the key level testing might look in the nearest future on the Ethereum. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.